Layoffs are a significant concern for employees, particularly during economic downturns or company restructurings. However, various legal protections exist to safeguard employees' rights and ensure fair treatment during layoffs. Protections in the United States. 1. Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification, WARN, Act A. Overview. Purpose. The WARN Act requires employers to provide advance notice of significant layoffs or plant closures. Applicability applies to businesses with 100 or more full-time employees. B. Notification requirements. Advance notice. Employers must provide at least 60 days' notice to affected employees and certain government entities before a mass layoff or closure. Mass layoff definition typically involves 50 or more employees being laid off at a single site within a 30-day period. C. Penalties for non-compliance, back pay, and benefits. Employees may be entitled to back pay and benefits for each day of violation if the employer fails to comply. Civil penalties. Employers may face additional civil penalties. 2. Anti-discrimination laws. A. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Purpose: prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Layoff protections. Employers cannot target employees for layoffs based on these protected characteristics. B. Age Discrimination in Employment Act, ADA. Purpose: prohibits discrimination against employees who are 40 years of age or older. Layoff protections. Employers cannot disproportionately target older employees for layoffs. C. Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. Purpose: prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities. Layoff protections. Employers cannot select employees for layoffs based on disability status and must provide reasonable accommodations. D. Pregnancy Discrimination Act, PDA. Purpose: prohibits discrimination based on pregnancy, childbirth, or related medical conditions. Layoff protections. Employers cannot lay off employees based on pregnancy or related conditions. 3. Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA. A. Overview. Purpose: entitles eligible employees to take up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave for certain family and medical reasons while maintaining job protection. Layoff protections. Employees on FMLA leave are protected from being laid off solely because they are on leave. 4. Retaliation protections. A. Whistleblower. Protections. Purpose: protects employees from retaliation for reporting illegal or unethical activities. Layoff protections. Employers cannot lay off employees as retaliation for whistleblowing. B. Retaliation for exercising rights. Purpose: protects employees from retaliation for exercising their legal rights, e.g., filing a discrimination claim, taking family leave. Layoff protections. Employers cannot lay off employees in retaliation for asserting their protected rights. 5. Union and collective bargaining protections. A. National Labor Relations Act, NLRA. Purpose: protects employees' rights to form, join, and assist unions, and to engage in collective bargaining and other concerted activities. Layoff protections. Employers must adhere to collective bargaining agreements, CBAs, that may include layoff procedures and protections. Notice and bargaining. Employers must provide notice and bargain in good faith with unions before conducting layoffs covered by a CBA. Protections in other jurisdictions. 1. European Union. A. Collective Redundancies Directive. Purpose: requires employers to consult with employee representatives and provide advance notice of collective redundancies. Consultation requirements. Employers must negotiate with employee representatives to mitigate the impact of redundancies. 2. United Kingdom A Employment Rights Act, 1996. Redundancy payments. Provides statutory redundancy pay to employees based on age, length of service, and weekly pay. Consultation and notice. Requires employers to consult with employees and provide notice of redundancies. 3. Canada A. Canada Labor Code. Advance. Notice. Requires employers to provide advance notice of group terminations and to pay severance where applicable. Notice requirements. Employers must provide notice or pay in lieu of notice for individual terminations. Are individual terminations